For the step-up calf raise, we need something to step up on. And for this exercise, I have 2 reams of paper, which are the perfect height. Now watch what I do. I'll put these on the floor, and I'll put my right foot on the paper just to elevate it slightly. But the exercise, the leg that I'm exercising, is this calf muscle in my left leg. So I'm going up and down on my left foot. Now again, you want to maintain good, strong posture. Your back is up. And in this case, I'm balancing myself on the table. If you don't have a table, you can balance yourself just with your right foot on the reams of paper. Now, take a look at my calf muscles and you can see them engaging. As I go up and down, soleus muscle and the gastrocnemius muscle are firing, and I feel a burn in my calves right now. Do as many of these calf raises as you can with one leg and then switch to the other leg. Now also, with the calf raise, you don't have to have one foot elevated. You can suspend it. This makes it much more difficult and a lot more fun. And you'll feel the burn a lot quicker. Again, do as many step-up calf raises as you can in a 2-minute time frame. And chart your progress. See how much better you do over the next week and over the next few months.